Think AWS has you locked in? Think again. The moment AWS thinks you might move a workload to Azure or Google Cloud, everything changes. Discounts appear, credits surface, and suddenly, our best offer gets better. Why? Because AWS reps get special pricing power when they smell competition. If they think you're all in forever, they'll treat you like it. No pressure, no deals. Action tip. Even if you plan to stay, signal competition. Get a proposal from Azure. Run a small GCP pilot. Drop hints in conversation. We're evaluating options for this new project. You don't need a full migration, just enough to make AWS sweat. Uncertainty equals leverage, and leverage means savings. Follow me for more enterprise negotiation insights. And if you want experts who only win when you do, visit redresscompliance.com. We work on a gain share model. We only charge when we save you money.